where the mount is. This will move just a tiny bit. So I've diagnosed it myself, couldn't figure it out, so it's time to turn to the expert being the computer. The Focus RS is pretty neat. I was looking all around for the OBD port, and check it out. There it is right there underneath this hidden little compartment. Huge shout out to Kingbolen store. They sent me this brand new Launch code reader. Now you guys know that I love code readers if you've watched any of my past videos, and I've used a bunch of different Launch code readers. I actually had one main Launch code reader that I bought a long time ago. It was due for a replacement, and this one couldn't be any better. This is definitely one of the higher end Launch code readers. It's wireless, it's touchscreen, and it can be updated through Wi-Fi. You can also search the internet for codes and code definitions. Since it's pretty much a tablet with code reader software on it, it's always going to be up to date. Now, even though this unit is one of the pricier ones in the Kingbolen store, I think it is personally completely worth it, because if you compare it to like a Snap-on, those are well into the thousands of dollars, where this is around 500 bucks. If you're building or rebuilding a car, you definitely need a code reader. I encourage you to check out the link in the description box below to the Kingbolen store and to this specific code reader. I'm also going to link one more that I really like that they offer. It will do about 90% of what this one will do. It's quite a bit cheaper. It just isn't as sophisticated. So we check out everything here. We've got a couple turbo codes, but right here, fuel pump module, the control circuit is open. That would cause us to have an issue. The evap system vent control circuit has a problem. Evap fan control, fan 2. We removed the fan harness, so that makes sense. There's a lot of different stuff on here which tells me we've got an electrical issue. Here's another one, lost communication with fuel pump control module. It has to be this, it only makes sense.